All right, folks, here we go. Round one. We're going against the Lamborghini Urus. This is going to be fun. Alrighty, folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. You see behind me where I'm at. We're back at Maryland International Raceway. Tonight's the late model performance Midnight Madness. So that's a bracket racing. So we'll get at least 2 time trials. So we'll probably get those 2 runs, at least those 2 runs, and then an elimination run. So depending on how far we go, we could get a few more runs in, but we're at least going to get 3. And if we get more than 3, I may break this up into 2 videos because it tends to get a little long when I do more than 2 or 3 races. But we'll see how it goes. So we're going to be here tonight. We're going to run these races. We're going to line up whoever we line up against, and we're going to give them the juice. That's what's going to happen. So stay tuned, folks. Here comes the races.
Round 1.
All right, folks, here we go. Round 1. We're going against the Lamborghini Urus. This is going to be fun.
Lambo was out here racing. So I said, I wonder what these things cost. So your boy jumps on Google, finds a used one. A 2019 Lambo SUV with 40,000 miles was $200,000. And these joints right here, brand new, running from, I think it was like 300 to 400,000. They have 3 different options depending on which one you get.
Not too bad. We hit a couple rev limiters though. Car says 10.2, Draggy says 10.2, I think. Yeah, car says 10.2, Draggy says 10.2. We're gonna flip around and do weight too. Alrighty, thank you, sir. Alright, we're 942, right lane. 154, 60 foot. 6.5 to the 8th at 108. 10.165 at 137.5. Not too shabby, folks, not too shabby. Let's run over here and run across the scales real quick. because I know we're heavy. $44.75 with me in it. Not bad, not bad. I'll take it. We'll get back to the pits, cool down, and wait for another time trial.
Round 2.
Here we go, folks. Round 2. Going up against that BMW M5. Oh yeah. Draggy says 998. Car says 10-0. Yeah boy, we are definitely back in the nines. I got to turn on my lights. I forgot to turn them on this time. We'll open everything up. Hopefully it lightens it up a little bit in here. Oh, did I forget the log? Alrighty, thank you. Ooh, 1462 60 foot, 639 to the 8th at 110, 995 at 130, 139.85. So basically 140. Woo, we back in them nines, folks. But I think I messed up the log. I don't know what happened, but that's all right. We're back in the back in the nines again. Obviously the weather is a little better now that it's cooled off. So we'll get back to the pits, cool off, and do our dial in and see what happens.
Round 1.
All right, folks, here we go. First round of eliminations.
Reset the computer, going back to the water box, and we'll start back up in a minute.
Okay.
Many hours later.
terrible, terrible night. Thank you. Oh man, I forgot to turn my lights on too. I know y'all looking at me in the dark. But a quick run over that 1.8 60 foot 7.0 to the 8th at 108, 10.7 at 129. So we're gonna go back, cool down, and come up for the next elimination.
Round 2.
All right, folks, second round of eliminations. Here we go. Says 10.2. Draggy says 10.19. So probably a 10.1, but hey, it is what it is. Like we always say, the car's gonna do what the car's gonna do. And we guessed wrong. Way wrong. But it's okay. It's okay. I probably should have I didn't put ice in this time. I probably should have. Nah, it is what it is. Alrighty, thank you. Alright, let's see here. 157 60 foot, 6.5 to the 8th at 109, 10.19 at 27.18. Well, that's definitely not right. But hey, 10.1 in this DA is really doing really well. I mean, Shake and Bake's doing her thing, y'all know the deal. But we got bumped out of this elimination, so we're heading back to the pits to pack up. That is going to do it for this one, folks. If you're stopping in for the first time, please check out the rest of the channel. If you like what's going on with the rest of the channel, do me them few things. Like, subscribe, smash the bell, shoot me a comment, share it on your social media. I'll definitely appreciate it. Shake and Bake will definitely appreciate it, because every red penny from YouTube goes right back into Shake and Bake. That's it for this one, folks. Till next time, adios.